to the top. All right. You have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you.
This is the elevator at the historic Fenway Hotel, Dunedin, Florida. Got an Otis HydroFit Non-MRL, Newer Series 2 fixtures. We're stopping on 2.
Hello.
Hello. Going down?
Yes, we are.
1?
Please.
Don't want to do anything down. Is it?
Yeah.
So we go down and turn. Did you come in that way?
No.
Have a wonderful day.
2.
Oh, you going up? What floor?
2, please.
Oh, what's this one?
Thank you.
No problem. Here we are on the 3rd floor. There's a restaurant over there. Love the door frame. All right, we will head back down to 1. It's a pretty basic but pretty nicely decorated elevator. There's your indicator, key switches, and there are your fixtures. And you know what? I'm gonna end on the top. And we're gonna get off here. And well, there it goes. That's gonna be it.